step, then it's going to the heat step. It waits 3 seconds. It will get a temp OK, and once temp is OK, it will wait 5 seconds for the tank. So to make it more visual, I can make it like 15 seconds each, so you can see (15 seconds for each step). And now you could see the sequencer sequencing very slowly. So right now I'm in a fill tank. We turn the fill valve on, and since the timer is done, we got the tank full signal. Once the tank full signal is there, the transition is true, then we go to the heating step. We do those actions and we wait on temp OK, which is waiting on this timer. Once temp is OK, you could see it moved into the spray time. And once the spray timer is done, we get the tank empty signal, and once we have the tank empty signal, it will go back to the initialization step. So what I will do here is, as it's completing all the steps, what I will do is I will take it out of auto cycle. So what happens is, now when it goes through the fill step, heat step, spray step, when it comes back, it will stop after completing the cycle. Let's wait and now watch that. We are still in the heat timer, heat on, and now we are in the spray. And you could see once this spray timer is done, the tank will be empty. The transition condition is true. It will go to the initialization step, turn everything off, and now it just sits there waiting for us to cycle start the machine. So that's how it is programming a SFC. It's a lot more graphical, a lot more easy to visualize if you know what you're looking for, and it also makes the logic compact. This is a simple sequencer, but if you have a multiple step sequencer, you could always do SFC. And in next video we will go more into detail of how to add we'll answer the commonly asked questions in SFC about how to add multiple steps or multiple branches, how to add safety interlocks, how to add logic for auto and manual. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and please leave a comment if you want any video in particular in terms of SFC or other ladder. Your comments will become the source for next video. Until then, bye.